What's good, faves? It's your fave, Miss Renee. You guys, I am back at it again, 2 days in a row. Oh my God, you guys, this time it is dinner time. So I'm so happy that you guys decided to pop back on for another edition of In the Kitchen Cooking with Fave. Y'all ready to jam? Come on, girls, let's jam.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode I replay. Sit right next to you.
So, ladies, if you are new to the channel, welcome. Hey, ho, hey, ho. Yes, honey. It's always a good time over here. And if you are new, welcome, welcome. And if you are an old head, you already know the love is always real here. So I'm so happy that you guys decided to pop back on for another edition of In the Kitchen Cooking with Fave. Tonight, y'all, dinner is amazing. I cannot wait to show you what we're going to be doing, and I definitely can't wait to eat. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is this. We're going to be using this yummy for a delicious dinner time. Oh my God, you guys, I cannot wait. I can already smell this shrimp and this garlic butter shrimp already on the stove. So you definitely have to have some. I did some chicken breast. I'm going to finish cleaning and skinning the breast. And then you need soy sauce. And I'm also going to do something different. The recipe does not call for the brown rice, but I'll show you why I'm using it. And then you have to have an orange, garlic, which is over there on the stove, sorry, brown sugar, and some starch, okay, cornstarch. And then, like I said, I'm doing something, I'm putting a different kind of twist on this recipe. The recipe only called for orange chicken. I decided to add some delicious garlicky buttery shrimp as well. Also, I'm going to put some broccoli asparagus with this and brown rice. So I can't wait to see what it looks like. I think it's going to be delicious. Let me get my shrimp out here popping. Ooh, yummy. Woo. Yummy, yummy for my tum. Okay, ladies, so I got the shrimp all nice and done. Now it's time to get this chicken breast nice and seasoned and ready to go. So the seasoned chicken is now ready to get battered. For the batter, I'm only going to be using the cornstarch tonight. Didn't really measure that out. Just going ahead and load that chicken in a bowl, and then just make sure all the cornstarch is evenly distributed. So now it's time to get these sweet little puppies in some oil. I'm using EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to get these babies a nice pretty golden brown. And then it's time for me to start getting ready to make the sauce, the orange sauce. I started with some brown sugar and then some soy sauce. There are no measurements, so I'm just literally dumping. I go on ahead and add that cornstarch in, okay? And then some garlic, of course. Again, I'm just adding. And then this is the main ingredient, the orange juice. I really didn't use the orange. The recipe did call for an orange, but I just said, nah, I got all this orange juice, so I'm not going to worry about it. And I did use orange pineapple juice, not just the regular orange juice. And then you just whip that all together and look at it. So here we go with the pineapple. So honestly, cutting open the pineapple was pretty easy. I was pretty shocked that it was not very hard at all. It is gutting this sucker that is hard, okay? Oh my God, you guys, I really wanted to just go ahead and eat it. It was so sweet. Mm. But I didn't. I was able to refrain from screwing up my recipe. So that's how the boats look like when you have gutted them. Oh, the gutting? Never mind that. That's a whole headache. But I did get them gutted out really cute and pretty and ready to load them up. But first, that's the pineapple chunks. First, I got to take the chicken over and dump it into the thickened juice. Okay, so the juice isn't thick right there, but you get ready to see it's going to be thicker in just a second. Oh, well, sorry about that. I did go ahead and load up the boats. I went ahead and put that brown rice in there first. Okay. And then we smothered those little puppies in the orange juice that was already thickening. And by this time, the aroma is just smelling like, oh my God. And excuse me, you guys. And I am like, oh my God, I want to taste this. This looks really, really good. And that sauce was thick and delicious. You guys, orange chicken. Better than any restaurant, promise. So, the chicken is very, very hot and the pan is very, very heavy. As you can see, I'm struggling trying to get that chicken inside that boat. Don't forget there's rice underneath the chicken. And yeah, that was really, really good. Hold on, let me see what I'm saying. Dinner is ready. Okay, you guys. Oh my God. This is what is for dinner tonight. It is chicken, orange chicken with broccoli, shrimp, oh my God, orange sauce and pineapples. Y'all, this is the bomb, okay? And then let me show you how we looking finished, baby. Finished. Okay, so these pineapples were not easy. I'm going to tell you this straight up. Cutting the pineapple was not hard. It was gutting the pineapple that was a little bit for me, okay? But I have in this shell a bed of brown rice. Excuse me, y'all, I've already had a couple pieces of chicken. And then it is smothered with the orange chicken and the sauce. Of course, I have broccoli spurs, fresh pineapple, chives, fresh chives. And then it's sprinkled, that red seasoning is a sweet paprika seasoning. Oh, you guys, these are so, so delicious, okay? And then, of course, I have some yeast rolls that I did not make, but I bought, okay? I did dress them up a little bit and put some butter and some cilantro on top of them. But, oh, my God. Oh, my God. Okay, so I had to do this video over. I already done it, and then I realized the TV was on, so I have to do it again. So I am going to sample this piece of chicken right here for you, okay? So here, oh my God, you guys. It's kind of big, but okay, here it goes. Yes, I'm hot. It's hot in here. Let me step over here, okay? Okay. Mmm. 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 This tastes like restaurant. I'm dead serious. Mmm. 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 You want a bite? Where you at? Mmm. Yeah. Mmm. 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 Oh my God. Mmm. Y'all. You gotta make this. Hands down, you gotta make it. You gotta make it for your family. This is so delicious. Your family will not even believe that you made this. That's how good it is. Let me let you one more time. Artist is about to kill me. He is ready to eat. I've got to give him his pineapple bowl right now. You guys make these for your family because your family will love you for it. It will be the thing that you will make all the time for special occasions. This is delicious. Absolutely delicious. Little work, but delicious. Really, really worth it. All right, y'all. I'm off here. You guys, what's for dinner? Orange chicken, broccoli, shrimp, pineapple. Oh my God, I don't know how else to say it. It's delicious. Okay, I will see you guys on the next video. In the meantime and in between time, y'all, keep your heads up and your eyes open. I think it's pineapple. See y'all soon. Bye.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I know